pa rin po ba if ang status ko sa BIR is single but I actually have a dependent son of 6 years old for tax computation? My annual salary po kasi is more than 250,000. The answer is wala pong difference. Nag-start ito year 2018 sa ating train law. Pantay-pantay po lahat ng individual. 250,000 ang non-taxable income every year. So whether single ka or married, may isang dependent or 4 na dependent, wala pong difference. 250,000 ang tax exempt po every year. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.